welcome back to Camping with Emmy. I'm Denise. If you are new to our channel, we originally created our channel, my husband Rick and myself, to restore and renovate our 1999 Coachman camper. And we worked really hard. We did 14 or 15 episodes, and the interior is finally done. And we still have to work on the exterior, but that's going to be a little bit down the road. So in the meantime, I decided that I would post some home improvement projects every now and then whenever I am working on something new. I do have Crohn's disease, which, if you're not familiar, it's an autoimmune disease that affects the intestines. So I'm really not able to create content every single week, but I'm going to do the best I can to, fairly often be able to upload a new video. So to any one of you out there that suffer with any kind of an autoimmune disease, my hat's off to you. I know what it's like. Just do the best that you can every day and keep on keeping on. That's my motto. So in this video, I am going to be making over this really cute balcony that we have on the second story of our home. But now that the camper is completed, this is the perfect time for me to get out here and to do something with this balcony. I think it's going to turn out super cute. I think it'll be a wonderful space to come out here and sit and maybe drink a cup of coffee or a glass of iced tea and look out over our beautiful woods. Prepared the deck for staining. I swept it off real well, and then I washed it all down with a little bit of Dawn dish soap in a bucket of water so it's nice and clean. So the next step is to do the staining, and this is what I'm going to use. It's Pittsburgh Paramount Super Premium Stain and Sealant in 1, and we purchased this from Menards. And we have this custom mixed, and the color is called Fall Foliage. When I'm staining, I like to use a foam brush. And the reason for it is it holds a lot of stain, and it really prevents a lot of dripping. When you use a traditional nylon bristle brush, the stain just tends to run right out of it. And so this holds the stain a lot better. lighting that used to be in this space. The original light here was old and rusted and not working very well. And last summer, wasps had made their way up inside of it, and we had a heck of a mess. So we had to take the old light off and get the wasps all cleaned out. And now we are ready to install a cute new little light fixture to put in its place. We purchased this adorable Jolly Jar outdoor light for our balcony. We bought this at Menards, and it was like $6.89. I mean, you seriously cannot go wrong for that price.
I don't like to power them in, so where's my screwdriver?
Yeah, to finish them up.
Anyway, we'll caulk around this hole. The wires pretty much take up most of that, but I guess we'll not worry about that, but we'll caulk around these holes, and all these holes were 1978, 84, 1992, 2001, 2022.
Yes, well, this house was built in 1978, so yeah, I mean, I don't know how many outdoor light fixtures were here before. I mean, I'm thinking the one that was up here was original, but we really don't have any idea.
So we'll just, first thing we have to do is snug this up, and that doesn't have to be super tight. You don't want to strip it out. Anyway, we have to see how it's going to fit on this gizmo here. I'm just testing the fit of the little bracket behind here. It looks like, because of the way it's sitting on the house, that it's gonna fit fine. The screws, I'll be able to tighten them up, and you don't need them super tight. You just need it to hold them on there. There's some little. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is hook up the ground to the fixture. You got wire coming from the house. Which is number 12 wire. Not sure why they need number 12 wire everywhere in the house, but that's what we got. Bingo! Jackpot!
We have exterior illumination.
That is correct.
this adorable little bistro set I bought at Meijer's several years ago when it was on clearance at the end of the season. And I always knew that one day when I got to this balcony, it would look great here. I also purchased this rug at Michael's, and I got it the last week of June, and normally they were $39.99, but I got it on sale for $16. I already had the umbrella base and the umbrella. I purchased the solar lights for the planters and the cute little figurines at the dollar store, and they were $1 each. my balcony today is Ernest Hemingway, and it has 3 stories in this book: The Sun Also Rises, A Farewell to Arms, and The Old Man in the Sea. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today, so thank you very much, and I will see you all soon. All right, so we're going through our stash of light bulbs here to see what we have. And okay, so now we're going to look into our, there we go, Edison bulbs. Yeah, let's see what size.
It would be that efficient to put that on a box.
Me, I label everything, including this little bag that says LED lights.